Welcome to my education channel. This is the best channel to share, learn, and can be used as a media to teach your student. Please subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Today, we will learn about how to handle guest laundry. There are 6 steps of handling guest laundry. Number 1. Pick up and check guest laundry. Number 2. Mark and record guest laundry. Number 3. Check and wash guest laundry. Number 4. Press guest laundry. Number 5. Check and packing guest laundry. Number 6. Delivering guest laundry. First, we will discuss about how to pick up and check guest laundry. The objective of this session are: at the end of the session, you will be able to do a proper guest laundry pickup and check the guest laundry before washing. The agenda of this session is: do a proper preparation, proceeding to a guest room, and check the guest laundry. Preparation. First, you need to check the guest laundry book. Print report of VIP guest, long-staying guest from opera. Start to pick up starting by VIPs to regular guest. Pick up from guest request, open the order at once, pick guest laundry and close order at once. Then you need to prepare your tools. Pickup form, pen, guest laundry logbook, an in-house guest list. Record room number on pickup form to make sure you will proceed to the correct room number. Write down room number according to floor. Write down the pickup time to record the pickup time. And then proceed to guest room. Use service elevator. Do not use guest elevator. Before entering a guest room, please follow the procedure of how to enter guest room. Press or ring the bell gently and announce laundry service and wait for the guest response. Ring the bell every 10 seconds, repeat the same procedures twice. If no response, open the door gently and re-announce yourself one more time laundry service. If the guest responds yes, please wait a second, do not open or enter the room directly as the guest might want to make him or herself ready and comfortable before opening the door. Greet the guest and referring to the procedure of greet the guest. Ensure the guest details are completed, confirming the type of service and the delivery time. We will process your clothes, we shall deliver your laundry within 4 hours for express service, or we will deliver your laundry before 6 p.m. for regular service. Fond farewell. Close the door silently and completely. Check that the door is closed by pressing the palm of the hand against the door. This is some example of the laundry service. There are 3 types of laundry service: washing and pressing, dry cleaning, pressing only. Service time example: laundry collected before 10 a.m. returned before 6 p.m. Laundry collected after 10 a.m. will be returned before 9 p.m. Laundry collected after 3 p.m. will be returned on the next day before 10 a.m. Express service collected before 12 o'clock noon will be returned at the same day maximum at 6 p.m. or 5 hours after laundry received. Please note that laundry service might be different in each property. We will continue to learn about how to check guest laundry in the next session. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Thank you.